Why does it hurt so bad? So bad to lose something I never had. Never had. Are you a memory, lucid dream? Pinch me. Will you come back? Will you come back? Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. Imagination wild like a child. Head and heart can't reconcile. Are you a memory, lucid dream? Pinch me. Will you come back? Will you come back? Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. I think I remember your skin on mine. I think I remember your laugh with mine. I think I remember that you were mine. I'm not sure. We were short, it's been long. Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings and I'm still singing your song. I'm still singing your song. I'm still singing your song.
If I had a chance, I'd take it faster than a heartbeat. If I caught a glance, I'd run to you like nobody was watching. But it's so hard to get to you, 'cause when you see the sun, I see the moon. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near. Countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard. But maybe one day we can break the distance. face without a screen cutting through. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near, countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard. But maybe one day we can break the distance. Clouds, will you please help me out? I need to go and see them now. Pick me up off my feet. I know that it's crazy, but I am ready with my suitcase by me. Clouds, will you please help me out? I need to go and see them now. Pick me up off my feet. I know that it's crazy, but I am ready with my suitcase by me. Buckets of water, millions of clouds, miles of road just to get where you are. Oh, I wish it wasn't so far. Thousands of dollars just to be near, countless thoughts of you being here. Oh, I wish it wasn't so hard. But maybe one day we can break the distance. If I could tell you, I would. Honestly, no secrets between us. No, it's just honesty. Even if it hurts, even if it's just for today. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. So don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know you. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to be? What it be like to be yours? What it be like to be yours? One step is 2 steps too much. Rather be much better if we stayed in touch, you and me, but it was too late. I can't make you stay, but wait. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. But don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. tonight.